How to cancel a reservation in Expedia. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll be taught how to cancel a reservation in Expedia. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing to do is to open your Expedia app on your mobile phone. Once you've launched the app on your mobile phone, you'll be shown the page where you have the Expedia logo, you have options, you have destinations, you have flights that you can choose and all. Now, you'd check the lower part of the screen at the right hand side where we have the chat option, the chat icon. This chat icon is a AI based chat box where you can speak to a virtual agent who can attend to your questions and all. Now you'll be redirected to this page. Once redirected to this page, you type in your question, cancel a reservation in Expedia. Cancel a reservation and send it. Then the virtual agent will give you instructions or directions on how you can go about cancelling your reservation on Expedia. This is simply how to cancel your reservation in Expedia. Remember, open your app, you click on the chat box that is at the left hand side of the lower part of the screen. Then you click on the chat box, you communicate with the virtual assistant about how you can cancel your reservation. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thank you.